Story come to bump ya now.
Give me dumpling, me sweet potato. Give me yellow yam, me sweet cassava. Me molly bammy and me ripe pear. Catch piece of shot beside it, don't fear. A glass of beverage, wash it down dear. But I don't want no pasta. Egbert meet one white woman on the beach down on the grill. Him said, darling, me is Egbert, what is your name, ma'am? Same time she start blush and turn red, she say, boy, what a thrill. Egbert is my favorite more name, hi, I'm Suzanne. Susan here's a yardman tear sheet and she want a stallion. Egbert always want figure foreign faces, no.
You better know.
Few weeks pass and Susan turn Egbert into a married man. Few months pass Egbert and him dulce land a Heathrow. Him with a yam 6 dumpling, 5 sweet potato, 4 slices of yellow yam, 3 dozen banana. The molly bammy and the ripe pear. Catch piece of shot beside it, don't fear. A glass of beverage, wash it down dear. But him don't want no pasta. Egbert walk out of London, Heathrow airport a puppy show. Susan say, man, you must be hungry, what you want to eat? Egbert say, me da name Hannah and him calf. How you know? Susan say, never mind, there's a burger joint down the street. Susan glanced by Egbert and steer upon the menu confused. Egbert look on the salad section, shout, blow, wow. Susan asks, my darling, is it that you want help to choose? Egbert said, to me mention Hannah, you think man a cow? I would an yam 6 dumpling, 5 sweet potato, 4 slices of yellow yam, 3 dozen banana. Molly bammy and the ripe pear. Catch piece of shot beside it, don't fear. A glass of beverage, wash it down dear. But I don't want no burger. Egbert walk out at the burger place, hungry a bus him shut. Susan plead with him, my darling, what can I do? Egbert say, make we go your yard, you no have no cold muck. Any hog head, canned beef, pea soup, a little brown stew. Egbert turn to England with Susan for all of 5 months. Every time when dinner time come in poor heart grief. Susan chicken white like a pelican from back to front. The black pepper make Egbert sneeze him, kiss him teeth. I would name some dumpling, some sweet potato, few slices of yellow yam, or a few dozen banana. The molly bammy and the ripe pear. But piece of shot beside it, don't fear. A glass of beverage, wash it down dear. But I don't want no pasta. Time pass and Susan take Egbert down in a proper yard boy. All this time there was no snow, not even sleet. Egbert remember food that Jamaica, him not have no joy. And like a Gertin Jack, a Susan fought in her sleep. Egbert asked Susan if she not think them view for a vacation.
Oh yes, dear.
By this time poor Egbert maga like a scalda. When them land a month go pay, Egbert take foot in hand. Egbert run off at Jamaica, gone back a him yard. Him gone yam some dumpling, some sweet cassava, few slices of yellow yam, few dozen banana. Molly bammy and the ripe pear. A piece of shot beside it, don't fear. A glass of beverage, wash it down dear. But him don't want a burger. Him would have them some dumpling, sweet potato, and some yellow yam, green banana. Molly bammy and the ripe pear. A piece of shot beside it, don't fear. Glass of beverage, wash it down dear. But him don't want a burger. Him would have them some dumpling. Him don't want a pasta. Some dumpling. Him don't want a pasta. dumpling.